One of my followers matched with an absolute rocket on Tinder and he said, I can see the fun and trouble you're gonna be for me. I'm glad you're smart, but I'm all good trouble. I'm a big fan of good trouble if it comes with a good cuddler. That was pretty smooth. And she says, oh, I'm the best cuddler. He establishes the buyer frame by saying, you shouldn't tease like that unless you're ready to back it. I don't tease, I just prove things. So conversation's going really well, super playful. So he says, you'll have to prove it to me pretty soon. You're cute. What are you looking for on here? I don't really know, to be honest. What about you? So she gives him a pretty incoherent answer and he says, come on, you downloaded this for a reason. I like that he's reinforcing the question and kind of forcing her to answer because it is important to know what she's looking for. Well, when I moved here, I wanted to meet people and get to know the area. And then I met some people and figured it out. And now I'm just kind of chilling. He says, okay, that makes sense. To be honest, it's summertime. Not really looking to jump into anything serious. Just trying to vibe and go with the flow here, you know? Seems like she's on board. So he says, shoot me your number and let's go from there. And just like that, number secure.